Unlock the power of HubSpot and transform website visitors into loyal customers with captivating landing pages designed for marketing success. Alright, let's jump right in. Start by logging into your HubSpot account from the main dashboard. Navigate to the marketing drop-down menu at the top. Click on landing pages. This will take you to the landing page management area where all of your existing landing pages are. Now, in the top right corner, you will find the orange Create Landing Page button. Click on it to start building your brand new landing page. HubSpot offers a variety of pre-designed templates to choose from. Browse through the options and select one that best fits your campaign goal and desired aesthetic. Don't worry, you can customize it later. Once you've chosen a template, you'll be taken to HubSpot's drag and drop editor. This is where the magic happens. Now, begin customizing the template with your own content. Replace the placeholder texts and images with your relevant information and brand assets. Make sure your headline is compelling and clearly communicates the value proposition. To add new elements such as forms, videos, or additional text blocks, use the module section on the left-hand side. Simply drag and drop the desired modules onto your landing page where you see fit. You can easily resize, reposition, and customize them to match your design. Do not forget to add a CTA. Before publishing, go to the Settings tab at the top. Here, you can configure your page title, URL, meta description, and add any relevant tracking codes. Click the preview button to see your page to see if it's to your liking. Once you're satisfied with the design and all of the information is properly displayed, finalize these configurations and click Publish. And that's it. You've successfully created a high-converting landing page with HubSpot. Now you are ready to capture leads and drive business growth. Like and subscribe for more HubSpot tips and marketing secrets.